Hey everyone, this is Stephen KC Railpen here, and welcome to another model railroading video. So today, I have a box here, so it's a package, and now it is not any Woodland Scenic stuff. So this is something I ordered from White Rose Hobbies, which is a hobby store located in Pennsylvania. Because their website's pretty good, the shipping's nice and all that. So I have some new rolling stock that's in here, so if you haven't seen my community post about it, there were some Bachmann rolling stock. And you may wonder what it is. So they are modern rolling stocks, so they're modern era. So would you guys like to see what I got? There's 4 pieces that's in there. So let's open up, shall we? And they're coming out. So I have them right here. So here they are. So the first up are these two. These are the Bachmann 100-ton hoppers. So I have 2 of them. I got CSX, one here, and another one. So basically they're 2 row numbers each, so you can see. One is 35 13 18, and the other one is 35 13 02. So basically I'm glad that Bachmann is basically doing separate row numbers for these. For rolling stocks now. So this is the Silver Series, I believe, because this is also the new packaging and the new logo and all that. So I'm really glad with how the packaging looks brand new and all that. So there's that. So they're both CSX. So it'll be perfect to go with my Bowser one, the one I got when I was up in Ashland during my vacation in Virginia. So hopefully I might think about getting more of these sometime, because I really like to run some more of these CSX 100-ton hoppers. Because I'm not sure, because even though CSX does not run through my area in Kansas City, but it's still cool to have some of these, because I just love the paint scheme on these. Alright, so moving on. So the last 2 are these cars right here. These are brand new release from Bachmann. And you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. There they are. These are the brand new Bachmann Trinity hoppers, which are these modern hoppers that you still see around today. So my examples I have are both Norfolk Southern. So they had 2 row numbers available for each ones, because I know they did I think they did CSX, BNSF with the Circle Cross logo, and Canadian Pacific. So those are the ones they have in this current run. So hopefully we'll see some other ones in the future, like maybe like Union Pacific, BNSF Swoosh, or DME, or any others that they can do, or or even like private owned railroads, like stuff like that. So anyways, so here they are. These are brand new, so you guys can see how. Look at that. That is just really cool. Very stunning. So these would be perfect to run for the grain train, because I'm thinking about starting a grain train, because I know NS runs a few grains in the Kansas City area, and they even ran a couple like grain trains when they interchange onto the BNSF up in like Chicago, then they head down to like Texas and such. So I've seen a couple of those, but it's been like a very long time since I last seen them. So thinking about starting an NS grain train, because I know some of you guys requested me to do some more grains, so I'm thinking about getting more of these. If I can find more of these Trinity hoppers, I can find some like Aston Genesis, or even Intermountains, or even more NS hoppers, modern NS hoppers like that, and then make the grain train. So anyways, so those are the new rolling stock. So let me give you guys a little bit closer look at the CSX cars. So you can see, it's very nice, very modern. So yeah, so there it is. So another look. So there it is. So those are this is the rolling stock review of the Bachmann rolling stocks that I've gotten. So I believe these are new releases. Like I believe these came out a couple months ago. These came out just recently. So anyways, that's good. That's gonna be it for this review video. So hopefully, I will soon do review videos on both of these in a different video, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, have a good day, everybody.